Tired of fat fingering every text message you send? Today, we're going to fix that by customizing your Android keyboard size for ultimate typing comfort. This works for most Android phones. First, let's dive into your device's settings. Look for the gear icon, usually labeled as Settings, and tap to open it. Scroll down until you find General Management. This section houses Language and Input Settings, which is where we'll find the keyboard options. Tap it. Now, select Keyboard List and Default. Next, tap the settings icon next to your current default keyboard, which is usually Gboard. This will take you to the keyboard settings. Within the keyboard settings, tap on Preferences. This is where you'll find options to customize the look and feel of your keyboard. Look for Keyboard Height and tap on it. You'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the keyboard size. Drag the slider left to make the keyboard smaller, or right to make it larger. Experiment with different sizes until you find one that feels comfortable for your fingers. You can test the changes immediately in any app where you can type. Some Android devices also let you adjust the keyboard size directly from here. Tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Select your default keyboard again. Repeat the previous steps to change the height. If you do not see the keyboard height option, you will have to access the settings from within your preferred keyboard app. And that's it, a simple adjustment, but it can make a world of difference for your typing accuracy and overall smartphone experience. Now you can type away with confidence.